And now your Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffett.
Good morning and a happy Tuesday. We had a pretty loud evening with the storms that rolled through the Northland and quite a show in the sky if you were up and about kind of watching those storms. But this morning we've got clearing skies already in place as the sky gets brighter with that sunrise. 44 degrees here in the Twin Ports area. Winds are out of the north right now, but as that high pressure shifts a little bit further to our east, we are going to see a northeasterly wind, which will of course keep temperatures in the Canal Park area in those mid-40s all afternoon. Here's a quick 12-hour loop of what we saw last night through early this morning. Several cells, some of which were mainly focused across our central region area, but we also saw several cells pop up in the Duluth area after midnight, and that's when we saw those hail reports around midnight. And then again, that line of stronger storms moved through around 3:15 this morning, producing heavy downpours across the region, and that has come to an end now. You can see clearing skies in place for most of the board. Ashland area and Ironwood still seeing some cloud cover from that cold front, but again, it's moving pretty quickly. You kind of see the clouds moving out with that system. We are going to see some clearing in place from that system, but of course we saw quite a light show. So Levi Johnson in Canal Park captured a gorgeous shot of the lightning right next to that lighthouse here, so you can kind of see in retrospect where he was standing for that shot. And we also got a good shot from Jacob Bell in downtown Duluth. This was near the Sir Ben's restaurant where he lived, and really cool shot across the sky of that lightning as well. Great shots of that. Of course, I appreciate any photos that are submitted to us in terms of hail, lightning, anything in that nature is always appreciated. As we head through the afternoon hours, we've got a drier day in store today. So if you've got outdoor plans or anything to get done, today is the day because more rain is going to be moving in later this evening. And of course, temperatures are going to remain mild for us further away from the lake. So we are going to see that east wind kind of kick in. You'll notice temperatures in the 40s and even some 50s, but then upper 50s further away into central Minnesota and central Wisconsin as they're much further away from Lake Superior, and as well that low pressure system starts to move further north, and we'll see by Wednesday 4 o'clock, most of us are going to be seeing some rain showers, some of which will be moderate to heavy at times, but it's going to continue off and on Wednesday all the way through Friday as this low pressure kind of just stalls over the region, and it's going to start to kind of spin. So you'll notice by Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, we're going to start to see these rain bands kind of just start to rotate right over the region because it's along a stationary front. Stationary, of course, means it's going to stand still for quite some time, producing that much needed rain. Temperature-wise, pretty warm to our south, but much cooler air to our north. So for the most part, we're not going to be expecting thunderstorms. We're going to be expecting just rain showers. And that's very needed for, of course, the drought conditions we're seeing and the fire dangers in both Wisconsin and Minnesota in terms of all those wildfire reports over the last week or so. By Thursday night, 11 o'clock, we're still dealing with some rain, mainly into our north areas. Some dry conditions to our south, but we're not quite out of the woods yet. We still have more rain in the forecast. And it's April, so April showers, of course, bring May flowers. For the rain forecast, this is tonight through 6 o'clock Thursday morning. About an inch is expected. So for a 24-hour period, a good inch is what we're going to see from most areas. A good 2 inches is possible to our south. And then, of course, it is going to keep raining from Thursday morning through Friday night. So you can expect another ½ inch to a 3/4 of the inch as we head through Friday. Otherwise, the 7-day forecast for us today will be a milder dry period. So enjoy those dry conditions, of course. But by Wednesday, most of the region is going to be seeing those rain showers off and on all day long. Not to mention, we're going to have a strong east wind with us on Wednesday and Thursday. So the cooler air is with us. It's going to be breezy and it's going to be rainy for the end of our work week.
A little yucky, not super fun if you did have any outdoor plans, especially if they involved heading anywhere near the lake.
Yeah, it's going to be a little chilly.
Yeah, might not be fun, but it is rain that we very much need. We have been talking about this for a couple weeks now with all of the wildfires that we've been seeing. So looking forward to these April showers. Hopefully they will bring some Mayflowers.
Absolutely.